just a little video to show you how to paint grass in watercolour. Now, obviously, with watercolour, you have to work from light to dark. So if you want a dark area of grass and you want lighter strands of grass to show through, it can be quite labour intensive, but this is a nice quick way to show you. So I've got this little painting all prepared with my light grass colour down first. So now I want to go dark, but I'm not going to be fiddling about. I'm actually going to be using this. This is a Biro lid. In fact, it's a Bic Biro lid. I have no shares in Bic, but it's amazing. And the clip is perfect because it has, can you see, it's got a little scoop. And it's the scoop that we need. You have to work in patches. So I mixed up. This is cadmium yellow and cerulean grass. I've added, for my darker mix that I'm just going to use, I've added a bit more cerulean and a little bit of Payne's grey. So I'm going to cover a small section. Now, if it's too wet, it won't work. If it's too dry, it won't work. But you can see there, I'm going to use the clip, the scoopy side, and scratch through. So you have to make it very uneven and irregular. I can probably go a bit darker than that to show you a bit more of contrast. So, well, that's too dark. So I'll flick up a few bits of grass here and there. And scrape through. And you can do this through lots of different layers. And keep going darker each time. This is called sgraffito. But make it look natural, have all your grasses going in different directions. How effective is that? Saves a lot of time and hassle and gives you such lovely texture. So I'm scooping that direction. Like that. So have a go. Let's see how you get on.